Hello friends, today we draw a cute butterfly. First we draw the outline of its body and now we draw a eye, and now we draw two antennas of the butterfly. We use here a black marker. Now we draw two wings of the butterfly, one forehead wings and then behind wings. Then we draw wings main in it and some detail of the wings. Do you love drawing? It's so easy and fun, isn't it? We draw some details of the wings. Use our black marker. Now we draw the abdomen details. Everybody loves butterfly. It's so beautiful and amazing. Now we fly. It's up to you what color you use it. I use purple color and sky blue and yellow color. You can use different color what you have. It's up to you what color you paint it to look beautiful, the butterfly. If you like, please subscribe my channel for more videos and share it with your friends. And drawing is the art for pleasure. I love drawing and painting. Do you love drawing? Comment below guys. You can draw with me and you can draw in your leisure time. It is so beautiful and cute butterfly. Here it is.